My name is Sarah. I am a junior at Benson High School. The boot camp I attended is a business boot camp. I'll say being in the class, I made a lot of friends there, so it was just being in the class was just a lot of fun for me. So all of them are actually really nice. Every morning when we came in, they always had a smile on their face, and it was just so joyful to be around them. It honestly helped me what I'm gonna do, like the things I want to do in the future, and give me like a better view on what what options I have out there. There is these two girls. I don't remember their name, but they were actually really nice. The first time when we were there, they invited me to eat lunch with them, and that was really nice of them. So yeah, it's helpful to help you for a job. It's also good on resumes and college too. If yeah, it's like good. Say have fun. Honestly, the more friends you make, it's joyful to be there and enjoy yourself.